Okay, example number 1 says simplify 3a plus 6 over 3a plus 3b. And then it says, please be sure to restrict the variables in the denominator. Okay, now we're going to do that after we simplify the fraction. Now, you'll remember in the instructions, it said that we need to factor the numerator and the denominator completely. Okay, well, let's look at this. What do I need to do first, Chris, to factor the numerator? Okay, there a 3 goes into all of them. We look for something that goes into each term, right? So I'm going to get 3 times a plus 2. Nice. Okay. Now, what do I need to do? Can I factor that any further, Jordan? Can I factor that any further? The numerator? What?
2? Oh,
No, there's nothing left to do. Good, Jordan. Thank you. Connor, can I factor the bottom? What do I need to do on the bottom?
On the bottom, you can factor it.
Thank you, Connor. Since we spent a unit on this, I'm hoping that the first thing that we look for to factor is something that goes into each of the terms in the denominator. Mark, do you notice anything that goes into each of the terms? 3 goes into each one. So we'll pull out a 3, and we're left with a plus b. Good. Now the second thing that the notes told us to do was to cancel any common factors. Eddie, do you see any common factors that I can cancel? 3. Good. It's gone. Now the thing that I'm left with is a plus 2 over a plus b. Beautiful. That's our answer. Are we done, Ned? No, we are not. We have to take the denominator, a plus b, and we have to set it equal to 0. And we want to say that a plus b cannot equal 0. Right? So in that case, what we mean, I'm going to subtract b from both sides, and I know that a cannot equal the opposite of b. That is the restriction. Other than that restriction, a and b can be anything. It's just that a cannot equal the opposite of b. So if a is 2, right, then b cannot be negative 2. Okay? Let me see if that's right. If a is 2, right, exactly. Ned, because that would make it 0. Can I take out the a from the top and the bottom? If I'm looking at this, can I just cancel these? Can I just do that? Let's say we have 5 over 6. Can I reduce that anymore? No, that's reduced all the way. Do you agree that that equals 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 3? Right? Because 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Can I just cancel those and say that it's 2/3? No, I can't. Right, you're right, Ned. I'm sorry, I took your question. I'm sort of going on. I can't cancel across that plus sign. Okay? For me to, the only thing I can cancel are common factors, not common terms. Is that understood? I have an a on top and an a on the bottom. Those are common terms, right? Because they're being added. A is being added to 2 on top and a is being added to b on the bottom. I can't cancel common terms. I have to cancel common factors. If you go back, you can see it's 3 times the quantity a plus 2 and 3 times the quantity a plus b. So I can cancel those things because they're common factors. They're being multiplied. Okay? All right. Good job, guys. So let me back up and say that my answer is this fraction and the restriction a cannot equal negative b. All right? Great job, guys.